Today, we're taking a look at the AUTOPHIX OM126P OBD2 Scanner, a simple plug-and-play diagnostic tool made for everyday drivers who want answers without stress. Stick around because this might be one of the smartest car tools you can own. Product features. The AUTOPHIX OM126P is designed to work with 99% of vehicles in the US made after 1996, plus most European cars from 2002 and Asian models from 2008. That includes popular brands like Toyota, Ford, Chevy, Honda, BMW, VW, Audi, and many more, along with SUVs, light trucks, minivans, and even some gas hybrid vehicles. Using it couldn't be easier. There's no setup, no batteries, and no apps. Just plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, turn the key, and start scanning. The OM126P can read and clear fault codes, helping you understand why the check engine light came on and clear it once the issue is fixed. One standout feature is the IM readiness or smog check testing. Before going to an emissions test, you can see if your car is actually ready with clear check marks showing pass or fail status. You also get live data like engine RPM, coolant temperature, airflow, and fuel system information, helping you spot issues early instead of guessing. And for beginners, the built-in DTC code lookup is a huge win. Instead of searching online, the scanner explains the error code instantly in plain language with support for 10 different languages. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely easy to use, great for beginners. Wide vehicle compatibility, clears check engine light quickly. Smog and emissions readiness testing. Live data helps prevent bigger problems. Saves money on basic diagnostics. Cons: no advanced programming or bidirectional controls. Not designed for professional shop-level diagnostics. Screen is basic but functional. Overall review. Overall, the AUTOPHIX OM126P is an excellent choice for daily drivers, beginners, and DIY car owners who want quick, reliable answers without complexity. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more car tools and tech reviews, and check the link in the description to see the latest price on the AUTOPHIX OM126P OBD2 scanner. Thanks for watching, and drive smart.